So do you love just a good juicy steak every once in a while? Because I do, and I enjoy it thoroughly. So this is a New York. It's gorgeous. It has gorgeous marbling. I'm just gonna season it. I've got some kosher salt, and I always try to use freshly cracked black pepper. I'm gonna do a combination of oil and butter. So now that I have all foam, all melted butter and the oil, go ahead and add in the steak. So for me, it's really important to have a big old spoon to constantly baste the steak with butter. This is how the fancy chefs do it. We're always basting. Okay, let's go ahead and flip it over and see what color we've got on the other side. Oh, how pretty. And the smell just gets more intoxicating as you go. I wish you all had smell-o-vision. All right, so let's see the color that we have underneath. Oh yeah, just gorgeous. I'll baste that for about another minute and then we'll go into the oven. All right, so our work is done on the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and put my steak down. I'm gonna add a little bit of this warm butter oil mixture, and then I'll place my herbs right on top. So let's go ahead into a nice hot oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook for about 3.5 minutes, and we'll see how it comes out. So you can smell in here just the thyme and the rosemary. It smells gorgeous. Let's see how we did. It's a really nice piece of meat, just beautiful. Definitely want to save that juice. So it's up to you how you want to slice it. So with a nice, very sharp knife, this is a slicer. I like to cut it in thin slices for the family. So this is my gorgeous sliced steak. The way they would serve it in a steakhouse is actually taking some of this juicy deliciousness, all the butter and the fat and renderings. Let's throw some herbs right on top. Oh, I'm ready to dig in. If you want to learn how to make the perfect steak, this simple recipe is a great place to start. You can follow my steps at checkpleasefl.com.